Boya BY-WM4 Pro is a 2.4 GHz dual-channel wireless microphone system that's specially designed for YouTubers, vloggers, filmmakers, and live streamers. Featured with very compact size, plug-and-play design, the BY-WM4 Pro RXD and RXU receiver could be quickly attached to iPhone, iPad, or Android mobile devices. Perfectly meet your variable requirements for indoor or outdoor recording. Integrated with dual-channel design, BY-WM4 Pro K3, K4, K5, K6 receiver could maximum support 2 BY-WM4 Pro transmitters working simultaneously with switchable mono and stereo mode, sound attenuation buttons, all available on the receiver, which offers great convenience on operation to video creators.
Hello everyone, welcome back to our webcast. Before we start, let me introduce my friend Cherry. Today she will be with me and share you a few tips about how to match clothes in spring.
The transmitter and receiver are paired as default setting, so the system is ready to use when taking out of the box. If the transmitter and receiver need to be repaired, there is a pairing pin included. You can manually pairing before recording starts.
Now we are on the way to my favorite Japanese restaurant. Compared with others, it's not that big and well known, but their food is really fresh and tasty. What I would highly recommend you guys is their tempura. Let's go!
Meanwhile, it is compatible with most popular social media applications, such as YouTube, Instagram, Facebook, as well as TikTok, etc. BY-WM4 Pro and BY-WM4 Pro-K3 kits were specially designed for DSLRs, camcorders, and mobile devices with 3.5mm audio output jack. Powered by 2X AAA battery for both transmitter and receiver, with line-out cable to connect recording devices, 3.5mm headphone output jack. Boya BY-WM4 Pro K2 offers super easy operation, yet very professional experience for your every time recording.
Cherry, what will you do if you break up with your boyfriend? Will you meet him again if he asks you out someday? You know, my friend Jenny, her ex has a new girlfriend now. He wants Jenny back to him again. Don't you think this is crazy?